In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Darktable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your edited photos and save them as finished files on your computer without losing quality or wasting time hunting for settings. First, make sure you're in the light table view. This is the grid view where you manage and organize images. If you're in the darkroom editing view, just switch back to light table so you can work with multiple photos at once and access the export options easily. Next, select the photo or photos you want to export. Click once on a single image to highlight it. If you want a continuous range, click the first image, hold Shift, and click the last image in the range. If you want to pick and choose non-adjacent photos, hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac OS while clicking each thumbnail. Take a moment to confirm your selection so only the intended images are highlighted. Now, open the Export panel. Look to the right sidebar and scroll down until you find the section labeled Export Selected. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all the export controls. This panel is where you decide where the files go and how they're saved. Under Target Storage, choose File on Disk. This is the most common option and will save the exported photos to your computer. Then set the output directory by clicking the folder icon and choosing a destination you'll remember, such as a dedicated exports folder or a project-specific directory. It's a good idea to keep exported files separate from your raw files so they're easy to find later. Choose your file format based on how you plan to use the images. JPEG is ideal for sharing online or sending to clients because it's small and widely supported. If you plan further editing in another program, pick TIFF or PNG to keep more image data and avoid additional compression. Be mindful that TIFF and PNG files can be much larger. For size or resolution, leaving the value at 0 keeps the original resolution from your raw file. If you need a specific size, enter a pixel dimension to match your target, like a long edge limit for web use. For JPEG quality, values around 90 to 95 strike a great balance between image fidelity and file size. When everything looks right, click Export at the bottom of the panel. Darktable will process your selected photos and save them to the directory you set. Once it finishes, open that folder to review your exported files and you're done.